Hello friends, welcome to MSB Education. In this chemistry video, we are going to cover one of the basic topics of chemistry called matter. Could you define what is called matter? Let's be defined in this video. Okay friends, now look around you. What you see? You can see clock, TV, desk, wall and the things around you. Now the question is, what these things are made up of? The scientist says these things are made up of matter. Yes, that is obviously right. Anything that has mass and occupies space is said to be matter. Is it simple, right? Now we can easily define the matter. Now another question is, how can we classify matter? We can classify matter by two steps. Step 1. By seeing the physical state of matter, we can classify it physically. Number 2. By observing the chemical composition of matter, we can classify it chemically. By seeing the physical state of matter, we can classify matter in three types. 1. Solid, 2. Liquid, and 3. Gas. Ice is an example of solid, while water is an example of liquid and water vapor is an example of gas. The physical state of matter can be converted into one another by modifying the temperature and pressure suitably. These are the basic things about physical classification of matter. While coming to chemical classification of matter, we can classify matter in two types. 1. Mixture, 2. Pure substance. It all depends on the chemical composition of matter. We can say matter as a mixture if it consists of more than one chemical entity present without any chemical interaction. Based on the physical appearance of mixture, mixture is further divided into two categories: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, the chemical entities present in matter does not form any layer between them. For example, green tea. On the other hand, if we come to heterogeneous mixture, there is a layer formed between the chemical entities present in the matter. For example, we can easily say oil and water. In this case, oil not gets dissolved in water, so it forms a layer between them. So it is called as heterogeneous mixture. Hope you get a clarity about mixture. Now we can move on to another chemical classification of matter called pure substance. Pure substances are composed of simple atoms or molecules. Pure substances are further divided into element and compound. An element consists of only one type of atom. Based on number of atoms exist, element can be further classified as monoatomic unit and polyatomic unit. Examples of monoatomic units are gold, copper, and examples of polyatomic units are hydrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. If we came on to the term compound, compounds are made up of two or more atoms of different elements, which is collectively called as molecules. Example: carbon dioxide, glucose, hydrogen sulfide, and sodium chloride. If we see the example carbon dioxide, we can clearly notice that monoatomic element carbon and polyatomic element oxygen combine to form a compound. It clearly satisfies the definition of compound. We hope that now you can easily define the matter and classify the matter. For further clarification, in the description box we have given the link of the PDF which consists of the notes taken from the lesson. On the next video, we will discuss about atomic masses and molecular masses, mole concept and Avogadro number. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos.